Hello, Adam Yobst, Customer Success Champion with Bright MLS, and I wanted to create this short video to illustrate how to print out multiple reports out of Bright MLS when you need them. Let's suppose that you're working as a buyer agent and you're looking to generate some reports today so you can print them out and have them available this upcoming weekend for your buyers to use. You may also want to print out some agent reports so that you have answers to the questions that you're asked during those showings as well. Let me show you how to do that in Bright MLS. The first thing that you'll notice on my search display, my results display, I've selected these two listings. So these are the two listings that I plan on visiting this weekend, and I'm going to go ahead and print out those reports today so that I'm prepared for those showings this upcoming weekend. I've used the check boxes here on the left to select those listings, and now I'm going to select the print button at the bottom. The next display that I'll see is my print options. So I'm going to make sure that I've set it up correctly so that it works best for me and I can work most efficiently. These are the reports that are available to me. I'm going to select the client full report. That's a client report that's appropriate for me to share with my buyers. So I'm going to go ahead and select that report. I'm also going to want to print out some reports for myself, and I'm going to print out the agent full report for that. And to do that, I'm going to hold down the control button on my keyboard and then left mouse click on a second report. Now I have both reports selected for those two listings. I'm also going to want to print out some important tax information in case the buyers have questions that would only be found in the tax record or tax card. I'm going to do that by selecting the Agent 360 Property Report, and again holding down my control button and selecting that third report. So now I have three reports highlighted, and you'll notice on the right hand side I have some options within the 360 Property Report. Here I get to decide which sections of that report that I want to include in my my print report or not. And I'm going to select only the public records in this example. There's not a need for me to print out the listing since I'm already printing out the agent full report. I already have that information. So in this example, I'm only going to select the public record section in the Agent 360 Property Report. Now I'm almost done, but I know that my buyers are also going to want to see the photos of these properties in these reports. And so I'm going to make sure that this option is selected at the top that says print all listing photos. And there's a note underneath there. Some of these listings may have as many as 150 photos, and so it could be several pages of photos, so you want to be aware of that. But in this case, I know that there are about 20 to 30 photos for each of these listings, and so that'll be fine. I'm going to select print at the bottom right, and that'll be the fastest and easiest way for me to print these reports and make them available for my buyers and myself. I could also have selected print to PDF. If I wanted to preview them as a PDF before printing that, I could have selected that option as well, or the preview option would have done the same thing. The print option, again, is going to give you the fastest result so that you can quickly print that information. Now, in this case, I am selecting the tax records and the photos and combining it into one report, so it may take a little bit longer than if I had selected only one of those reports. But you'll see that'll come up here, and then I'll be able to print that out all at one time. And this is going to save us a lot of time and energy. All right, and the report has come up here, and then I'll see all of my pages. You can see the photos were captured. This is the listing information. And if I scroll down even further, I'll see this is the public record information here for that listing. So all of the information that I've selected is now available in this report. So hopefully you'll find this helpful. I think what I've shown you now is how to quickly print out all of the information at one time so that you have a complete packet of information that you can use while you're showing properties. Reports that you can both hand to your buyers and reports that you can use yourself as the agent. And those reports will include the listing photos as well as the tax card or tax information. All right, hopefully you find that helpful. Good luck out there.